Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. So, before I start with any analysis, guys, I think some of you maybe you need that motivation. Uh, Maybe that can also help. So, each and every video that I'm going to have here, uh, check until the last minute of the video, then I will left a question or something that can help you to ask yourself, or whether it's a psychological strategy or something that can able to push your limits, you see. So remember, guys, when you do the trading stuff and the other things, just know that not only trading, in life, actually, anything that has to do with success, uh, it's all about psychology. So it means it starts in your mind and then you put that into action. Mostly we have like great plans, great, very, very great plans, or great trading plans, but you know what? You don't follow the those things that you write. You don't follow your journal. You don't follow any of those things. You see, that's what I see on some people that I teach every day. So the best thing that you can do, not only me, find a mentor or a mentor that you can just copy. Sometimes it's easy to make it. I think I start to realize that sometimes it's easy to make it in life just because you've been following yourself, but you were not winning. So it means now you can just follow someone 100%. When they say buy this, you just buy. When they say sell, you just sell, even if you lose. But that way, it's how you're going to analyze or capture the way they do things easily and very quick. Don't even ask a question. When they say buy, and when you check, you see this thing seems to be a sell or whatever, you just follow that, because that's how you learn from your mentor. That's how you copy. You just copy everything that they do. Then from there, you going to add with whatever that was failing you before. You will see what was failing you before uh, when you copy your mentor. I know your mentor is not going to be 100%. I'm not going to be 100%. So, but from what I do every day, it's what you going to see. Okay, yeah, maybe I was doing something, I was doing this wrong. And as people, like humans, we have that thing of, we don't really think, even if you see that you are losing, we don't really agree that, I don't know, maybe you are ashamed or something. You know that you're losing, but you can't accept that you're losing. You just say, next day it will be a good one. No, it's not going to be a good one if you don't change. Please change. It only takes a week. Then make that as your habit. Try to follow your mentors. I know people, they change mentor to mentor, but what I see is, it seems like only mentors that the one who are like successful most of the time. So it means, and some people, they will think maybe they are scammers. They are not. The thing is, you are not following them. You don't follow 100% what they do. Sometimes you see a sell and sometimes they see a buy. But just because you think you are too smart, even if I know you are smart, but you are not smart enough in the this financial market. You see, you might be smart on something stupid things out there, but when you come here, uh, the market will just humble you. So try to follow your mentor. I'm not saying follow me. There's so many, like hundreds of them. Try to follow them. You will see the bigger picture in the market. Then from there, it's where you start to change the way you see things. You see, yeah. I think that maybe can help. Yeah, if it doesn't help, it's fine. Tomorrow we'll come with another one. Uh, Please watch the video until the end, because I'm going to add something, maybe something that can help, a list of something. You will just see what it is there. So here it's German 30, guys. I don't want to really, oh no, I can't say I don't want to waste your time. No, I'm not wasting your time. I'm just showing you the good, the brighter side here. So I have to teach you. because if I just show you the good stuff only, then it's where you get lost, because we don't have to show you only the good things and say, you see, now we're making profit this and that to get after that, but you can't do that yourself because psychologically you are not there, you see. Because if I can say, look, yesterday I talked about something like this, I said we can have a nice buy here. Now the market is doing that, so then you're happy, you don't even know how we reach that area, whatever. So it's not really good, guys. We should show you exactly what happened. So I no longer remember what happened yesterday, but I still remember we had something like this here. Then the market broke and came back again. I think my student was eating it because here was the entry. This was a buy pending order. This was our stop loss. This is still our take profit. Maybe some they got out. I think I also took my profit because I used a little bit bigger lot size. So I think I was out around this area, and this was yesterday. So what really happened here? I think it's quite easy. It's quite simple if you checked my previous video. Go check my previous video, guys. That's why I said these days I will just start to leave these things here, the entries. Let me show you the entries and the entries, the support. Here was the entry. Here was the stop loss, and here is the take profit. So I will always leave this here so that you have a clue on what might happen. Even if you are not my student, at least maybe you can also eat. But just know that we don't really win every day. But when we win big. So this was, I think I drawn this like this before. I hope you saw that. So I did not change this. So the market was just moving around here. So the market yesterday just went down. So here the market was around here, then we did a buy pending order. A buy pending order is very safe because it doesn't just trigger immediately. If the market keeps going lower, it means your order was not going to be like triggered. So it means your order was not going to be like active. So what do we see here? We see that the market is still pushing up, so we can't buy around this area. So what we can do is, let me try to zoom that. What we can do is we can just wait for the market to reach this area. Even you can see the market did not touch this area for some time now, but we will just wait and see if it reaches this area. Yeah, we can wait for, there's people who can sell from this area, but I'm not, because this is an uptrend. So I'm just going to wait for the market to reach this area again before I say I buy, you see. Yeah, remember, we always miss some opportunities because we follow like strictly the rules, but that help us to stay in the game longer. Some they make quick profit today, but guess what? A few days or a few weeks later, they always deposit because they always lose more. So don't just get surprised when you see someone made maybe 5,000 from maybe only $100. So it means the day that they lose, they always blow in everything. Sometimes they make with $1,000 and they make 5,000. But just know the days that they don't show you the profits, it means there might be something going on. Maybe they are losing or something like that. But we're not going to entertain that. We are not here to check what other people do. We have to check ourselves. Are we doing the right things? Yes or no? So on German 30, I think today I don't see any opportunity unless if the market can reach this zone and come back again, then we'll say we can buy again, you see. But from there, for now we have to check something else. Just because we made profit, it doesn't mean we need to be like on German 30 the whole day, you see. So let's go to the one and only NASDAQ. I don't really want to make this video very long. Let's see. Okay, let me remove this. So I just deleted everything, guys. I deleted what I've drawn before because there were so many lines here. So I'm left with this. I think I entered this later, made some small profit, but this thing is still overbought. What I'm expecting here, let me increase this. I'm expecting the market to respect this area. I hope you see this, guys. So what do I see? I see that the market is on a very steep. You can see the market is creating something like this. So which is a very nice uptrend. But what do we do here? We have to make sure that we place our stop loss very close to our support, because this is very high. If the market goes crazy, it means we can lose very quick, you see. So the best thing that we can do is to make sure that if we have any order from this area, we make sure the stop loss is very close, because we can lose easily. But it still shows us this is a very strong uptrend. But remember, a very steep uptrend like this, it's broken quick easily, because you can see the market can't keep up with this. This is like really crazy steep uptrend, so we don't really have to trade on the market like this. But since the market is still respecting the support, we have no choice. We just have to hit and run. We need to buy small pips out. When it comes down, we do something like that, easy as that, so we don't have to like be in the market the whole day. So I think that way it's how we going to make it in NASDAQ. Or else what I see, I think maybe the market can break this area, start to consolidate maybe before it can go lower. Remember, on Friday we have like NFP, so you might see the market doing some crazy stuff, you see. So there is a chance that the market can go crazy. So yeah, let's see what we can expect. So on NASDAQ, it's, I think you saw everything. I don't think maybe there's much that I can add. We are still on bullish unless the market is broken. I mean the support is broken. It's where we can say now the direction is changing. But at the moment it's still like very strong bullish momentum, which is something that we want, because we always buy. We don't play games, we always buy. And you know what? We always make money, even if sometimes we do this. So I'm not going to lie to you guys and say, join me, we don't lose. Sorry, there's no one who is not losing, guys. There's no one who's not losing. But if you follow me, I know that you're going to be a millionaire one day. So here's US30, guys. So what do we see here? I have to draw this because we focused too much on the bigger time frame resistance and support. So we now missing most of our moves, the smaller moves. And if you check here, it's 2 hours. So it means this is also a big move because it's 2 hours. So why do I draw this? Because we need some small pips around this area. If the market breaks this area, it's where we will focus on the outer support and resistance, you see. So what do we do? What do we do at the moment? Actually, we will just play around this area. So sorry. So with my style of trading, I'm just going to focus on buy only. You see, the market is pushing up, so I will wait for the market to reach this area, then I will place a buy. Reach this area, I will place a buy. But if we see a breakout, it means we're going to wait for the market to reach this area, maybe 35,100. Yeah, 30,500. Sorry, 35,000. I think, yeah, I think it's here. It's here. Sorry, 35,000. You know the numbers, they don't play games with us, so we can see some crazy stuff. So what I see is the market can still consolidate here. And why? Maybe because I'm talking about NFP, I think this maybe it might be also the factor that it's making the market just to play around. You see that only NASDAQ is now like moving nicely, but you might find that maybe during the news NFP, maybe we won't see much of the volatility. But maybe on US30 we will see some crazy moves, whether going up or lower. But since I will be there for you to just give you some clues, yeah, maybe we will see what we can do, you see. But at the moment, we just have to focus on this resistance and support. Remember, guys, these are just the analysis, it's not the signals. So you should just understand that whatever that I'm telling you here, it's not like every day you're going to get like a signal or a perfect move, you see. So the market will just give us some crazy setups. So we have to deal with them. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Yesterday when we were live, we gone live on Zoom, so we had, you can see the support is still there, but someone suggested that what about this thing? I see this that it makes sense, and we see that the market came and respect that. See, so let me clear that so that you can see clearly. So, but do we remove this? I don't think we remove that because I can see the market respected that several times. So it means it's just a matter of us combining different lines at the same time. So this has to be like, they have to be double. So it means there must be another line, which supposed to be like here below this here. So that can also work in our favor. But from this area and this area, we see that they also connect, you see. So the market broken that, and we see the market came and retest that. So it means that there's a possibility that the market can keep retest here before it can push up. So we just need to see what will happen. But at the moment, it's not a good time for us to play around gold, since we have different moves. So let me just clear this one and see. I don't see really much stuff. I think the market is still the same as before, but yeah, we'll see when the market reaches this area, or maybe we'll find another resistance or something like that. But at the moment, I don't see anything. I don't see anything. So we just have to forget a little bit about gold, then we will see it maybe later on or even tomorrow. So let's go straight to oil. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share. You know what to do. We have some special. Maybe I will show you on the screen here. The special, it's like $15. You can get a system, um, or to join the group. It's also $15, and it's a VIP group, guys. We do some good stuff in there. I hope you can see how my people are happy. Even, guys, I don't want to give you the false impression. And when I say we make money, we do this, and just think maybe we just make some crazy, some like something which is impossible. No, you should know that we making like money, like the way people make money in the market, not crazy. We lose, we win, we lose, we win, we win, we win, we win. So mostly we win. So sometimes we do lose. But remember, there is always a stop loss. So it means we lose a certain amount that we already know that we were supposed to lose. So here we are on US oil, guys. US oil is giving me some perfect, very, very perfect moves, guys. You can see that this is a support. So there's no need for us to draw a resistance since the market is going up. So when the market is going up, it's not going to respect most of the resistance on top. So that's why I don't really like drawing that, because I think it's just a waste of time. So do you see here what I'm talking about? You see, if you try to draw your resistance there, what will it be? Because it can't be like this, it can't be like that, you see. So you just have to forget about that. But what I have realized is most likely, the support will be like 90 or 80% perfect. You can see we have most of the connection around this straight line. So it means we just have to wait for the market to reach this area, push. Sometimes the market won't reach this area because the market is changing now, and then we can start to have something like that. Then the market will do something like that going up, you see. So if you follow me, maybe now you understand what I'm talking about. So it's how we roll every day. So if you're not following me, if you are not subscribed, then you're missing some good stuff, because there will be like some great stuff that we share here. Also check my my description to check maybe my Telegram. You can also check my Telegram group. There's I share some good stuff in there also. So you should think about that, guys, when you follow me. There's good things that you're going to benefit from me. So here we have a very nice uptrend. It's a let me do this. Is Euro USD. So on Euro USD, guys, we can see that the market is just going up. So what do we want? We just want the market to give us the higher lows, then we can just try to go up with the market. You see, if the market is going up, we can try to go up with the market. As long as it keeps going up, we can do that. So let's do something like this. So it's quite easy I think it's easy for everyone to see this. I hope you can see that the market is creating something like this. Maybe from this area we can see the market pushing up, but it seems like it's been playing around this area. But we might see the market pushing up again, maybe because why? Because we are on a very nice uptrend, guys. If it breaks that area, it's also fine. We will see the market breaking this area, maybe going lower like that. But I don't think maybe there's much that I can show you here. It's quite simple. It's just a straight line. So what you can apply here is apply your mind. Just know, okay, if the market is doing something like this, I can just come here and place a buy pending order. Let me clear that and see that maybe on a bit smaller time frame. Maybe I will see something different. Just look at this consolidation. This is a consolidation when you are on a bigger time frame. Just look at this. It's crazy. So it means the market is like, it doesn't know where to go. So we can even try to draw something from there. Let me see. Let me clear that. Let's try to draw a line like this. Yeah, it also makes sense. This is a support. You can see that. So it seems like the market is creating something like this. I hope the market will go up, because I need to buy this thing around this area here. I think it will go up, you see. So please, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, share the channel, guys. Let's grow the channel, because the more you share, the more I share the good stuff, you see. Thank you. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex Bound.